Our church added a shower to one of the restrooms, but we didn't have a hook to hang anything up. So the Home Depot multi-hook is a great solution for that. Installation's pretty simple. You just put up the hanger. The hook itself comes with one hanger in it, so you open up the Allen key and take that right out. And then use the Allen key to mount it on your wall hanger. Once it's up, you can adjust the hooks how you want. And one of the factors of this is that the last step of the 8-step direction, I'd just say there's 2. You put the hook on the wall and you attach the hook on with the set screw, but the well illustrated instructions give you more information. And the last step says you can take this out, put a screwdriver in here, and lock these hooks into position if that's a spot that you'd like. I think I'll leave mine flexible so that they can be moved to however the user wants to use them. That's a nice little hook. Total time to put it up is under 10 minutes. And nice chrome hook for our church's bathroom.